Sex. Now repeat after me. Sex. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning. Sex can have multiple meanings based on context. Primarily, it refers to biological classification as male or female based on physical characteristics commonly used in scientific and medical fields. Sex can also refer to physical intimacy or reproductive activities between individuals. Think of it like this. Sex can either describe a biological characteristic or the act of physical intimacy, depending on how it's used. In a sentence, in many species, sex is determined at birth based on specific biological features. Here, sex is used to refer to biological classification. Let's try another example. They were discussing the impact of sex education on teenagers in schools. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence. Synonyms. Some related terms for sex are gender. Refers to social and cultural differences associated with masculinity, femininity, or other gender identities. Biological classification. A formal way of describing sex based on biological traits. Antonyms. The opposite of sex in terms of biological classification would be non-binary, a gender identity outside the traditional categories of male and female. Part of speech. Sex is a noun, referring either to biological characteristics or the act of physical intimacy, depending on the context. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.